Two cloud giants, but for very different users. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, AWS, the world's most comprehensive cloud platform, and on the right, Kinsta, premium managed WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay, so before we jump in, let me lay out the game plan. Here's the roadmap for today. We're gonna compare AWS and Kinsta across these categories: pricing, ease of use, performance, scalability and flexibility, security and support. Got it? Cool. Now let's start by talking money, cause honestly, who doesn't care about pricing? Alright, first up, pricing. So AWS honestly has this wild buffet of options. Like, you can start super cheap with Lightsail, literally $3.50 a month if you want, or scale up like crazy with their pay-as-you-go flexibility. And here's the kicker, the pricing gets messy real fast. It's easy to fall into the trap where you're paying for a bunch of services you didn't even realize you were using. And yeah, you'll need to keep an eye on all those separate AWS services adding up. Now, switching gears to Kinsta, it's honestly refreshing. Plans are all-inclusive and predictable. You know exactly what you're getting every month, starting at $30. No hidden fees, no random charges for the CDN or backups, they just throw it all in. Of course, that base price is higher if you just want something simple compared to Lightsail, but for most folks who don't want to stress over the bill every month, it's kinda awesome. So in this department, Kinsta totally takes the win for transparency and simplicity. Now let's talk ease of use, which is, oh man, a huge deal for so many people. AWS gives you this crazy powerful console, like, you can fine-tune everything, and it's made for real cloud nerds who want control. And to be fair, the service range is epic. But here's the thing: onboarding, painful. Setup feels like learning to fly a spaceship. If you're new, yeah, good luck. On the other hand, Kinsta's, it's so smooth. My Kinsta dashboard is honestly a breath of fresh air. You want to spin up a WordPress site? One click and you're done. Managing stuff is a breeze. Fair point, Kinsta is mainly for WordPress folks. If you're looking for custom cloud stuff, it's just not built for that. But for a lot of users, the usability is just miles ahead. So no surprise, Kinsta pulls ahead in sheer ease of use. Alright, on to performance. This is where both platforms kinda flex. AWS is a beast if you know what you're doing. You can get top-tier speed, advanced load balancing, crazy global reach through CloudFront, and all the cool tech. But real talk, performance tuning here is on you, and some features do cost extra. Kinsta, though, since everything's on Google Cloud and you're getting premium networks with built-in edge caching and their own CDN with like 300+ global points, the baseline for speed is mega solid. And most of the performance tuning is just handled for you. You lose some manual control, but hey, your site's pretty much always gonna run fast. So honestly, both AWS and Kinsta offer killer performance depending on your needs, so let's call this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know: Kinsta actually runs on Google Cloud Platform, so none of its servers are owned by Kinsta itself. Everything is built on that global, super reliable infrastructure from Google. Just a neat fact to tuck away. Up next, scalability and flexibility. Okay, so AWS is basically the gold standard here. Whatever weird, massive, or custom thing you want, apps, massive databases, machine learning, IoT, the sky's the limit. The only caveat is it's on you to scale it, automate it, keep things working. Kinsta's approach is way more hands-off, especially for WordPress. If your traffic spikes, the system ramps things up and you just upgrade your plan if you need more horsepower. It's simple but kinda boxed in. You really can only run WordPress or related PHP apps. So in terms of sheer scale and freedom, AWS totally wins this round. Let's get into security, and yeah, this is a hot topic. AWS is famous for enterprise-grade security. You get IAM, VPC, DDoS, custom policies, the works. Physically and digitally, it's quite solid. But if you're not a security expert, well, a lot of those protections need to be set up manually. Basic stuff's included, but the fancy DDoS tools or audits, you'll be paying extra. Now Kinsta, this is where they really tout their features. Cloudflare Firewall and DDoS are included. You get daily automatic backups, multiple backup types, all with basically zero extra effort or cost. They handle security for you, though it's really focused on WordPress. For most folks, especially WP users, that safety net is huge. So Kinsta's crafting a better experience out of the box, and yep, they take this category. Last but absolutely not least, support. Now AWS does give you 24/7 global support if you pay for premium, and yeah, their docs are legendary and the user community is gigantic. But if you want fast answers or priority help, get ready to pay quite a lot. Kinsta, it's next level for WordPress specifically. Every single plan comes with platform experts who actually know WP inside out. Plus, multilingual support, fancy. If you're running anything other than WordPress though, not so much help. But for their target users, Kinsta is honestly king here. So again, Kinsta walks away with the support trophy. Alright, if we line up AWS and Kinsta across all those categories in a radar chart, you'd see Kinsta really shines for ease, security, and support, like very consistent wins. AWS flexes big on performance and the kind of flexibility only a mega cloud provides. Pricing and usability, though, might have you pausing if you want something simple. So here's my take. If you're a hardcore developer or you've got some wild ideas outside WordPress, AWS just gives you the keys to the kingdom. Endless flexibility, but yes, you've gotta be ready to babysit it. If you want to launch a killer WordPress site, never deal with confusing bills or server tuning, and actually get friendly, expert help when you need it, Kinsta is probably your best bet. Both platforms have their place, but for sheer simplicity and value, Kinsta just wins out for most everyday users. Feeling stuck or wanna dive deeper? Drop a message with what you're building. We can help you figure out what fits best for your project. Just hit us up if you want that extra advice.